The Vangoa Folding Piano 88 key offers an impressive simulation of a real piano's sound with its upgraded sound quality and built-in speakers. Its innovative folding design makes it extremely portable, weighing only 9.7 pounds and folding down to a compact size, perfect for musicians on the go. Featuring 88 full-size semi-weighted keys, this piano provides an authentic playing experience and is ideal for beginners with its light-up keys for learning. The piano's multiple functions, including wireless connectivity and a variety of tones and rhythms, enhance the playing experience and offer endless possibilities for creativity. With a long-lasting rechargeable battery, you can enjoy up to 12 hours of uninterrupted playtime, making it suitable for outdoor practice or performances. The Vangoa Folding Piano also supports MIDI and USB connections, allowing for seamless integration with music editing software and gaming applications.